Hey everyone, my name is Marco Motino and I'm the CEO and founder of Dibbly. And in this video, we're going to go over how to work with collaborators in your projects. Okay, so let's get started. I have a demo project here where I've already invited a collaborator, and I'm going to show you how you can collaborate with other people in your project. So first thing is first, I'm going to ask Kip to um, write me an email template on for customer support and generate. Now, this way we have some content in here and I can show you the collaborative features. So I'm just going to approve this. And now I have a second account open and you're going to be able to see the mouse there. So if I highlight, you can see it's highlighting. You can see where the user is, at what point the user can start typing. This is me typing, for example. And you can work on real time and you can have multiple sections. People can be in different sections working, and then you can still have them working on that section, you working on a different one. However you want to work with that collaboration, you have multiple options. Now, for example, if I go here and I want to leave a comment, I can highlight the text, leave a comment. You can see comment number 1, apply, and then there's this comments toolbar here. And you can see we have a comment here. And then if I go with my other account, I'm going to type reply, and then you see it shows up right away. And you'll be able to have conversations through here, through the commenting. Now we are working on adding chat and video and audio communication, but that is coming at a later date. Maybe by the time you watch this, it might be available, but that is not in here yet. So collaboration is very straightforward. You have a share option here. You go in, you share, you invite the user through their email. They just have to have an account. If you're on the free version, there's a 3 maximum collaborator limit. On the pro version, it is unlimited. You can have as many collaborators in here as you want working with your content. As well as with collaborators, you have an option to disable KIP. So that way, if you're working with anybody on your project and you don't want anybody using KIP for any particular reason, you can go here, you can disable KIP, and then you'll see that KIP is nowhere to be found. And if I enable KIP, then you can see the KIP icons are back. So we do give you that freedom to include AI or not in your project. And that's pretty much it. That is collaboration. It's very straightforward. The last option is suggestion. So you can highlight a piece of text, you can type, and you're in suggestion mode. And then you can use that to further collaborate, approve, deny changes, was, every. So you can see that you can use suggestion mode to help with collaboration. And that way, if you want to get feedback on the suggestions first, then you can do it. So these are the different modes. This is how you collaborate. You have your comment. You have collaborators right in there working with you, multiple users, and you can all leave feedback and work together to build out whatever content you're working on. So that's it. Thank you.